Everyone always asks, will a CNC pay for itself? In my opinion, you may not be asking the right question. You see, I believe any tool can pay for itself. If it solves a problem, if it creates efficiency, or if it lets you do something you just could not do without it. Take a 12 by 18 maple cutting board. A plain board, even popular name brands, sells for about $60, $70, maybe $80. But if you add a custom name or a custom logo using a CNC, now suddenly you're charging $120 to $150, if not more. That's a huge jump, and really just for a few extra minutes of setup. Here's another example. I have a laser engraver. My laser engraved plaques sell for $50, give or take. Now, if I add a 3D carved flag, which I often do with my CNC, those exact same plaques sell for $150. That's triple the value for the exact same cost of materials, and it's something I just couldn't do by hand or do any other way. You see, a CNC isn't just about fancy engraving. We've used ours to cut out this huge, complex parade float that we had to do in like, I don't know, 6 different parts and then splice them all together. And then it had to stand up on the float and not fall down. Whatever. The point is, we could not have done it without a CNC. I could have used the jigsaw, I could have traced it, I could have done all this stuff. But the way we did it was fast, accurate, and honestly, while I cut it out, I was working on other things. It really is like extra hands in your shop. So I am curious, what's one thing you wish you could make or improve in your shop? And drop your ideas in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you would use a CNC to grow your business or grow your hobby, or just expand your capabilities compared to what you're doing today without one. Now, obviously, if you found this helpful, love for you to like, subscribe. I'm going to be talking about more real-world woodworking tips and honest shop talk in future videos. So, love to see you in the next one. So when it comes to whether a CNC will pay for itself, don't get stuck thinking about just one product or a single big sale. The real value is in how a CNC lets you add more to everything you already make. Personalization, efficiency, and new creative possibilities. Over time, those small improvements and new opportunities add up. And that's what truly pays for the machine and grows your shop. And listen, honestly, the biggest payoff might be what it does for you. Every time you challenge yourself to learn a new tool or technique, you're not just investing in your shop, you're investing in yourself. Don't let fear of learning something new hold you back. Push yourself, try new things, watch your capabilities and your confidence grow. That's how you open new doors, not just for your business, not just for your hobby, but for your own growth as a maker.